Hey everybody, we just drew our live winner last week, a guy named Steve, and he was not watching live. I don't think he's got any clue that he won a $4,000 tubing bender package, so we're going to call him, record it, and see if he'll let us play it for you guys on YouTube. Hey Steve, this is Joe at Rogue Fabrication. I wanted to know if I can ask you how to pronounce your name. Is it Breastman or Breastman?
Bresnahan. That's very polite of you. I've never had anybody do that.
Yeah.
How the hell you doing, Joe?
I'm doing fantastic. I was wondering if you happened to tune into our live video where we announced the winner for the grand prize for our drawing for March and April.
I missed that one.
I thought you might have.
Oh, shit.
We called your name as grand prize, and you didn't have to
Are
be
you
there to
kidding
win.
me?
No,
Joe,
I'm
you're
not.
joking me.
No, you're the winner. And I'm really late calling you. It's been like a week and a half or 2 weeks since we drew it, and you absolutely won.
God damn, what'd they win?
It's a roll cage stream package, so it's. I know you've already got our bender, so you'll probably be taking the credit instead.
Yeah,
but,
boy, I've been using the heck out of it on aluminum too. It is so cool.
That's awesome. Yeah, so the dream package is like a $4,000+ package. It's like the bender, M65, air over hydraulic, couple dies, dimple die set, Ventec Pro, whole bunch of stuff. There you go. The credit is $3,000, so $3,000 in credit. And yeah, I can look up your order.
Okay.
Also, I wanted to ask you during the call. I'm recording this one, and I've never posted them before, but what I'd like to do is post them to our social media so that I can just basically show people, like, people's reaction.
Absolutely.
When they find out that they won.
Absolutely.
So, all right, cool. But yeah, let me look up your order. The last one I've got was just some UHMW pressure dies and stuff that were aluminum specific.
Correct.
So.
And I've got your whole package. No, actually, I think we called you one time because Shannon was having some trouble with the aluminum, and you told him something and this is pretty small, like inch and a half or inch. It's just turning out perfect. I mean, like, making some kick-ass stuff.
Cool.
So what do I go under? Tubing benders?
Yeah, if you're looking for, I mean, you can take the prize if you want, or if you want like credit.
Well, what do I have? What do I have? I mean, look, you know what I have, don't you? What? I'll look. I think I might want the. Do you have handrail software? Or which one was it?
Ventec does have options for handrail. They've got a handrail module that goes into Ventec Pro, so yeah, you can use it for doing handrails.
Okay, well I might do that because we're using your tubing one, and it is just cool.
Awesome. Yeah, so I see you got our motorsports package, our ultra motorsports package. So you've already got the highest capacity machine that we sell.
Okay.
And then
cool.
You've got the cart with it, and you got the mandrel, and you got the wrap. So I think the biggest upgrade you could do would be going electric hydraulic. It's going to make it faster, and you can get automatic stop on it.
No, I bought that. I've got it.
Oh, well, that's right. You had another order that had that separately. Yeah.
Yeah.
You picked that up. So yeah, we'd be looking at probably dimple dies and software and a couple other odds and ends. We could get you some upgrades that round this thing out. Basically, take it from where you are now to be like an elite package. So.
Wow.
That's amazing.
So I got $3,000 credit coming on your account now. There's basically what I can figure out.
Yeah, basically, yeah. So
I can afford that. Does this work out for you? I mean, that's still a deal.
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Basically, we took our advertising budget we were given to Facebook or Instagram, and
gotcha.
We said, they changed their algorithms and started costing us more money. So we took that and said, hey, what if we tried an experiment and started small with some shirts or a notcher and just see how far that'll go. How many shirts can we sell, which we, of course, make money on because they're shirts.
Is your business growing?
Yeah, it is. And so it actually worked out. The first month we sold, enough shirts that it basically paid for the notcher. We just started raising it from there, and we got up to about the $3,000 or $4,000 mark. And some months we lose money, and some months we don't.
Good deal.
But yeah, it's fun. It's exciting. I mean, it's a tough giving product away, but we sell a lot of shirts too, so it's a good.
So I could go to YouTube and watch my name being drawn.
Yeah, you will be soon.
First time I haven't watched it. You know that?
It's so funny.
It is, honestly.
Yeah,
so
I think you're the winner that owns the most stuff in terms of.
Oh shit! I bought about 1,000 T-shirts. I give them to all my friends and stuff.
Yeah.
They dig them.
Cool. But yeah, I'm gonna post this. I'm just recording myself.
Okay.
I'll post it with the audio, so we'll post the whole thing.
All right. So I can watch it and hear my name? Because Shannon ain't gonna believe me. Okay. All right. Well, I'll get with you on this, and thanks again. I'll figure out what we're gonna do, what we're gonna get. Okay.
Sounds perfect. I appreciate it. And thanks for
Thanks for the call,
buying
Joe.
stuff, Steve. You bet.
All right, buddy. Bye-bye.
Bye.